Spamming and how it can harm your KDP low content business. Hi, Kerry here from Dream Creative Bee, and welcome to our channel where I show you how to make money online with KDP low content books and Etsy printables with new training every week. So be sure to hit the big red subscribe button. So today I want to talk to you about spamming. And the reason why I want to talk to you about this is because it came up in one of the Facebook groups. Somebody was doing a niche research and they came across a book that literally had hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of these books that are the exact same, just split between two different niches. Now, the reason why spamming is not good, you are using a free ISBN that Amazon actually provides us. We need to be careful with what we do with that. We need to follow the rules that Amazon has given us. And I did a video on the 10 common mistakes that you or me or anybody can make that can end up getting our account suspended at the very least, or getting our account banned. It'll be in the top right hand corner. Check that video out. Now, the reason why spamming is not good is you're giving customers overwhelm. Your keywords aren't going to be found. You're just going to sink to the bottom and you're going to make no sales. Now, the whole point of this business for us as creators is to actually sell our books and make good monthly incomes. And you can do that with a couple of good quality books. Now, different people who do YouTube videos for KDP all say the same thing. In fact, the Home Boss did a great video showing people about one of her books that really took off, and I'll leave a link in the description for that as well. And that's the whole point. Quality will always outdo quantity. Now, it's a great business model we have because we can do both quality and quantity, but there is a limit. Don't be going and uploading thousands of books in a week because you just simply aren't creating the quality. So to find this particular book, I had to do a certain type of typing in, which is Valentine Botanical Gardens. Now, that in itself sounds like it could be quite a good niche. Now, Valentine happens every year. It is not evergreen in the fact that it goes throughout the year, but it does happen every year at the same time. So you can be creating Valentine books. It's a bit late now because Valentine's is literally on Sunday, I think it is. So I typed it in and then I came across the author of this book. Now, these are the same books. Now, well, actually they're not. One is a password logbook. The other one is an internet address and password logbook. And then there's a gratitude journal. Now, in themselves, the cover is actually quite pretty. Inside, they're actually pretty as well. So the interiors are quite good, but there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 on this first page with the same cover other than this little thing here being different. So you're spamming Amazon by doing that. So if we go on here, this is the gratitude book. So type that in, and then on here is just all the gratitude books. None of these are actually selling. None of them have sold. They all got uploaded on the 3rd of February, all the gratitude books. And literally it goes on and on and on and on. And I'm on page 2 there. So this is actually going to look inside here. And it's actually quite a nice book to look inside. Now, you need to be careful of quotes. You need to make sure that they're not in the public domain and that they are not trademarked. I did a video about this. Again, it'll be in the top right hand corner. So go and check that out. But the actual interior is really nice. But you've gone crazy with uploading these. Like I say, I'm on page 2 and there were loads on page 1 as well, not ranked at all, not selling at all, and they're the exact same thing. So if we have a look here, come out, let's have a look at the actual title. Once upon a time there was a couple who love each other. So that there is clearly the image. And then I love you more than chocolate, and I really love chocolate, so that is down there. So it's got everything that is required by Amazon to actually put in the title, and part of that would need to be put in the title of the book. And then it says perfect, and it's done this because you've got too many characters for what Amazon allows for it to be seen, but it's perfect. And then it's got girlfriend and boyfriend, men and women. Perfect what? You know, it's just perfect. You can't use the word perfect on its own. That is also one of the common mistakes there. And you've keyword stuff by putting girlfriend and boyfriend, men and women in there. You've got what it tells people it is, which is a gratitude journal. That is good. This as well could be seen as keyword as well. Not in this context, I don't think. So then let's have a look here. Now, again, it's the same thing. There was a couple that loved each other. You're on my heart, and that's down there. Internet address and password logbook. So you're telling people what it is, which is good. So there's no mistaking what it is. But I wouldn't have known, just looking on here, that you'd got a password logbook and a gratitude journal. How? You know, I have to really go and I'm really looking at this. So and when people are shopping, they don't really have a good close look unless they're seriously looking for something to actually buy. A specific product like a computer or something like that, they'll go into detail. And these were uploaded on February the 5th. So on the 3rd of February, you uploaded a load of gratitude books, and then on February the 5th, uploaded loads of internet password books. So these are the password books, and yes, it's got a great ranking on Self-Publishing Titans. Average BSR is 106,000. Average reviews 43, so you're not really competing there, and average price 14.70. But these are proper gardening logbooks, which are great ideas. And then again, just loads of the same book all the way through. And again, I'm on page 2. I go back to page 1, and it's just there. So let's try and click on the last one. The last one here, go to 3. There's still some there. Go to 4. There's still some on 4. So there's literally hundreds of these books. Spamming is not good for yourself. If you do this, you are competing against yourself. You're also risking KDP having to look at your account a lot closer, because you are doing a lot of the mistakes here that can get your account suspended or banned. You might have passed review, but they do come across and do auditing at some points in time. Also, they might start bringing in limits, because at the moment Amazon gives us free ISBNs so we can do this business. The reason why they do it is because they are actually making thousands of dollars by doing this, but they're doing that from people who create good quality books that sell. You're not going to be selling these books because there's just too many of them. The cover, nice, sweet. The interior's nice and sweet as well. But they won't sell because you've just overwhelmed everybody with your covers. So this is why you shouldn't be doing this. Nobody should be doing this. So what I suggest you do, if you are planning on doing this kind of way of doing quantity over quality, I would seriously have a look at your business plan. You need to be doing either quality or a mixture of quality and quantity. Yes, you can put up hundreds of notebooks, but make them all unique. Yes, you can put hundreds of logbooks up, but again, make them all unique. These are not unique. They are just competing against each other. And if you get one sale for any of these books, you will do extremely well. I can see your theory. You think, put thousands of these books up, sell one of each, I'll make $1,000 because of the profit margins on them. Probably make $2,000 because it's probably $1.97 or $2.02 or something like that. So that's what your thinking is behind that, but this is not going to work. So I hope you found this video helpful in actually seeing about spamming. It is not good. Don't do it. And don't forget to check out all those videos, and don't forget to check out the Home Boss's video on creating one good quality book. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be notified about any other training that I do. Also, check out my book on the top niches for 2021, and also check out my book about actually removing colour from PNG and JPEG images in PowerPoint.